I don't have to shift down to overtake. You have power all the time. All you need is just, and that's it. Wow. Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So this is a first ride impression of Tiger 900 GT. So my first impression is it is very sleek and lightweight. When you ride it doesn't feel heavy. Wow, that torque when you ride a bike, the thing which makes you feel special is the torque. Even in the fourth gear, it has got tremendous torque, and I just love it. Oh my god, that's so seductive. Suspension as you expect in ATV, it's pretty comfortable. You don't feel anything from the road. So similarly, I also need to see how it behaves on the highway at higher speeds. But now on these roads, I don't feel any rough patches from the road. It just glides on the road. I absolutely love that torque. Obviously, you're gonna spend so much money for a bigger bike. Obviously, you need that torque to feel excited. I don't feel any wind blast over the windscreen. I feel it is in adequate position. Still you have adjustments till that. The mirrors are super visible. The sitting position is very good. Handlebars are wide. I can place it comfortably, no strain. Similarly, the foot pegs are in the right position, which means it is on the right 90-degree angle, so it is good. It is so effortless. That is what it is all about. It is so effortless. You know, you have the torque in all the gears. I'm cruising in 6th gear, and it just goes on. So you don't have to, you know, keep on changing the gears. It is, you know, you have the torque in all the ranges. So I'm waiting here for the bill. So meanwhile, you have the cruise control buttons here. You have the menu control button, menu selection, navigation, as well as using this joystick. You have the heated seats button up here, and you have the headlights pass button up here. Heated grips button is up here. Here you have the engine kill switch, as well as the hazard button up here. Here you have the home menu button up here. The display looks good, bright, and you have multiple options to change the you know, the appearance of the menu. So you want it this way, so you can customize this according to your wish, you know, according to your style. You can change it. I think I'll go with this. Yeah, this looks more intuitive. So here you have the fuel indicator. Here you have the engine temperature, the current speed. Here you have the RPM. Rally Pro, the one thing which I didn't like is there was something up here which was pushing against my leg, but then this there is nothing like that, so it is so comfortable sitting in this. The seats are wide and comfortable, and I still have a space behind me. So you have road mode, sports mode, off-road mode, rain mode. Yeah, these are the modes you have. So all you have to do is using this navigation button, you can switch your riding mode. So while coming, I was on road mode. I will try the sports mode. Let's see, is there any power bump while riding. Clutch feels very light. So the good part is, like in the city traffics where you have to hold the clutch a lot, there it will be very convenient for you because you don't have to strain so much on the clutch. So that is very good. And I still have to check whether even this has the bus around 6000 rpm. So I can flat foot on both the sides. It is around 820 is the seat height, so I can comfortably stand with confidence, no problem. Okay, yes, even this has a slight buzz after 6000 rpm, similar to Tiger 900 Pro, Rally Pro. So even this has a slight vibration around above 6000 rpm is what I feel. Nothing much, but slight buzz. Okay, the dynamics is so good. Even the suspension is soft. You have it provides you good confidence on the road. In the Rally Pro GT, the suspension has been tuned for the off-road capability. So I feel it was slightly too soft for an road-based ride. But then this GT version is specific for road, so this offers you better confidence on the road. Even though the suspension is comfortable, it is not so soft wherein you lose the confidence. So that is very good on this. You can take a corner so good. I don't have to shift down to overtake. You have power all the time. All you need is just, and that's it. So that I was missing a lot on the XR 900. So it was hesitating to pull. Wow. The amount of confidence which it provides is so good. And this bike is meant for twisties. When you ride a street triple, you will enjoy a lot in the twisties than riding it on the straight roads. So I get the similar feel on this. You will love to push on the corner. It has the torque, it has the stability. So all those add up to a feel. Even in the 6th gear, it has a tremendous torque. You don't have to shift frequently. You can just cruise on the same gear and it does everything for you. The engine is that refined. And if you see the price, this is around 17.8 80 lakhs on road. So if you see BMW XR 900, that was around that was around 15 lakhs 60,000 on road. So comparing with it, you have a better engine, better dynamics, comfortable suspension, but this has the better torque in all the gear range. That is what this is all about. The triple engine is torquey in all the gear ratio. That makes a lot of change when you ride. So when you're out on the highway, that is what gives you that feel. Okay, you're riding on a bigger bike. So when you push the throttle, you should get a feel of that pull. So that is there. That puts a smile on your face. So that is very good. Since it is a 3-cylinder engine, it has a better exhaust as well. The buttons all feels premium to operate. So this is Tiger 900 GT. This is a Brembo brake setup. Don't mind about the muds, since it has been doing a lot of test drive. It is little dirty, don't never mind. Even this has the LED headlights and this iconic DRLs, which represents the new Tiger 900. You have the twin radiator setup and the 3 exhaust pipes. So this has a manually adjustable suspension, where if you twist it to the right, it gets more stiffer. So if you find a better road, smooth roads, and if you want to push a little harder, you can try turning up to the right, which makes it a little more stiffer. And if you want much more comfortable, then you can turn it to the left, where it makes a little more soft. And rear, you have the Nissan brake setup. So this exhaust is ground clear. I would say, comparing with the old 800, this slightly missing that whistle noise, where all the old Triumph bikes has that. So that is slightly missing. But even this exhaust without the whistle, this sounds better, because this is little more gruntier. So that gives you a better feel when you ride. So here you have the option to add a optional heated seat. This is where the switch will be. And by default, this doesn't come up with quick shifters, wherein you can add it optionally. I would prefer it. It is better if you add it, because while on the road, that makes a lot of sense. That really gives you a better feel when you ride. It is so effortless. You don't have to, even though the clutch is light, if you have a quick shifter, it feels a little more convenient for you when you run a higher RPM. You just need to shift the gears without holding the gears. So that is really good. This is the default DRLs. Okay, so that is the LED headlight which you get. That is the low beam, that is the high beam. Can you try the fast switch? Yeah. Okay, this is the high beam. Even though this is a bigger bike, I don't feel that it is heavy or it is difficult to handle. Even when I'm taking it from the side stand, it is so easy, it is so effortless. I don't feel the weight. So that gives you a lot of confidence. So I believe this is not about the spec sheet. This bike is not about the spec sheet. This is all about the riding experience. When you ride, what you feel is what is all this about. I believe if you're looking for an ATV which you are primarily focusing on the road, I believe this is a must try. You should try this. Even a guy who is new to this big bikes can ride this comfortably. So it won't intimidate you. So that level of confidence you can get from this bike. I totally love this GT.
So my final verdict. Tiger GT is a good road-based ATV. It has torque engine and the power is available in all gear ratios. The seat, riding position and the windshield are comfortable. Dynamics are so good for road, as we can push it on the corner with confidence. Brembo brake setup provide complete confidence whenever you need it. To add on top of it, the 3-cylinder Symphony with grunt makes you feel more enthusiastic. Only downside I see is the bus after 6k RPM. But then, primary rival is the BMW XR 900, which costs lesser than this but miss the feel in the engine. But then Tiger with slightly higher price provides a better all-round package. So if you are in search of a road-based ATV, then GT must be shortlisted. Thank you for watching.